The USA is home to some of the most haunted places in the world. These investigators decided to explore eerie locations.
Find out what that is. Dude, that come from over here.
Seeking answers to chilling mysteries. With spine-chilling stories and eerie legends surrounding these haunted spots.
Come out right now!
Their investigations promise to reveal more than you might expect. Let's get straight into it. Abandoned factory. Explorers John and Tim, the duo from Exploration Unknown, are no strangers to eerie locations. For nearly a decade, they ventured into abandoned buildings, uncovering forgotten stories. But their trip to a massive abandoned factory in Knoxville, Tennessee, would become one of their most chilling adventures yet. Their adventure had barely begun when, just 2 minutes in, a sudden, unsettling bang reverberated through the massive structure. Though startled, their curiosity outweighed their fear, and they pressed on, determined to uncover the source.
They're not alone.
I hear banging coming back here, Tim. Do you hear it?
I do hear that.
Shh. What is it?
Dude, that sounds like it's coming against that wall. Dude.
Let's walk over there and see.
Before we move on, there's something you need to know. The factory is steeped in chilling rumors, believed to be cursed due to its location atop ancient burial grounds. As the noises grew louder and drew closer, tension gripped the duo. Was it just a squatter, or was something far more sinister lurking in the shadows? They called out, but silence was their only reply. Undeterred, they pressed on, determined to unravel the mystery.
Hello? It's getting closer.
Dude, it is getting closer.
As they scoured the area for a staircase, their camera unknowingly captured a shadowy figure lurking ominously behind a pillar.
He's just gotta be.
There's that room that's over that way. When you were looking at that...
You wanna go? Oh, there's an elevator shaft over here. Let's go. That's where I thought there was something right here.
Did you see it? A dark, shadowy figure can be seen. Oblivious to the chilling presence watching them, they pressed forward, each step thick with mounting tension and the eerie sense that they were not alone. Unable to find anyone, Tim and Jim decided it was time to end their exploration. But just as they were about to leave, something unexpected happened.
We're in. I'm pretty sure someone's here, and I do not know what their intentions are, nor do I want to find out what their intentions are. Dude, that come from over here.
Finally, a loud bang and a sudden figure in the shadows were enough to send John and Tim running for the exit. Their escape was frantic, the fear palpable. Who was that shadowy figure? Was it a person or something far more sinister lurking in the darkness? This exploration left them with more questions than answers, proving that urban exploration isn't just about abandoned places. It's about facing the unknown. Conjuring Cabin. Next up, Oh My Gosh TV, along with 2 other investigators, head to a notorious location known as the Conjuring Cabin in Rhode Island. As they begin their investigation and attempt to enter the house, an eerie noise suddenly echoes through the air, sending a chill down their spines.
Well, from the stories, I know you heard that.
Dude, was that inside?
Yeah.
As they gathered their courage and entered the house, something unexpected happened. A chair moved on its own, intensifying the tension in the air.
Nuh-uh. Some furniture over there just slid.
As they were about to enter the room upstairs, a loud bang echoed from downstairs, sending a wave of panic through the group. The sudden, unexpected noise left them frozen in place, hearts racing as they tried to make sense of what just happened.
Oh, what the fuck was that?
What the? Dude! No. Yo!
Moving on, Omar began to communicate with the spirits using his equipment. As he was busy setting up, something unsettling happened.
Good night.
How can something move on its own? First it was the chair, and now this. And as they were trying to make sense of the strange occurrences, the craziest experience of the night hit them.
Come out! Come out right now!
Firstly, they heard the unmistakable sound of footsteps running down the stairs, echoing through the house. And before they could react, Omar and his friends were violently pushed, stumbling and falling as if something or someone had shoved them. Terrified and shaken, they decided it was time to call it quits. Omar, still reeling from the experience, called it the scariest video he had ever filmed.
Force just like hit my chest.
I've been to 1,000 different places, super haunted places. I've never felt something feel like an explosion in my chest.
With their hearts racing, they quickly made their way out, vowing never to return to the eerie Conjuring cabin again. Abandoned school. Next up, we have an explorer by the name of Yusuf Ahmadi and his friend, who decided to explore an abandoned school rumored to be haunted. The building, long forgotten, holds a dark history, and their investigation promises to reveal chilling surprises. As they ventured deeper into the abandoned school, Yusuf and his friend discovered bullets, a clear sign that squatters had been here.
Guys, so these are all the bullets we found. There's like a 12 gauge shell there, I think. I'm pretty sure this is a 9mm bullet. I don't know what bullet this is.
It all seemed like a typical adventure until something truly unsettling occurred. As Yusuf and his friend walked through the corridors, a figure suddenly passed by them. They called out, but the figure didn't respond.
Hello? It's just an explorer, man. Hello? Are you an explorer?
Moments later, a loud gunshot, or something resembling it, echoed near them, sending a wave of panic through Yusuf. Terrified, they bolted, racing out of the school as fear set in. Panicked, they ran through the dark hallways, desperately searching for an exit. But it soon became clear that the mysterious figure wasn't going to let them leave so easily.
Come on.
I'll help you. Get up. Help.
Footsteps echoed behind them, growing louder with each passing moment, as if the figure was right on their heels. Eventually, they found an exit and rushed out, swearing never to return. But who was that figure they saw? Could the bullets they discovered earlier have been his? It seemed as if he was hunting them, and if they hadn't escaped, something terrible might have happened. That's a wrap for today. As we dive deeper into the most haunted places in the USA, each eerie encounter keeps us on edge, wondering what mysteries lie ahead. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more spine-chilling explorations. Keep your lights on and stay curious.